Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is India-Singapore military ties. This topic relates to international relations section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Let's see why this is in news. Recently, the 14th edition of exercise Bold Kurukshetra 2025, the joint military drill between India and Singapore, begins in Jodhpur and will run until 4th August 2025. This edition will take the form of a tabletop exercise and computer-based war game, focusing on testing and validating mechanized warfare operational procedures. Now let's discuss about exercise. Bold Kurukshetra. 14th edition of the exercise will feature the 42nd Singapore Armoured Regiment from the 4th Singapore Armoured Brigade and the Mechanized Infantry Regiment of the Indian Army. It aims to strengthen the robust defense partnership between India and Singapore, promoting deeper mutual understanding and cooperation at both tactical and strategic levels. The primary goal of the exercise is to improve interoperability and joint training capabilities of the two armies within the framework of a United Nations mandate, thereby reinforcing bilateral defense collaboration. Welcome SSC aspirants. Drishti SSC is here to support you every step of the way with free live classes, previous year questions, PYQs, demo classes, exam notifications, and strategy videos. Whether you're starting your journey or looking to refine your preparation, we've got you covered. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated with all the resources you need to crack your SSC exams. For more details, call us at 8750187501. Now let's discuss about India. Singapore relations. India and Singapore share a robust and multifaceted relationship rooted in historical trade, cultural, and diaspora ties that span over a millennium. This partnership has evolved significantly through frequent high-level visits, leading to its elevation as a comprehensive strategic partnership. The countries are collaborating in cutting-edge areas such as fintech cybersecurity and semiconductors, while also jointly developing skill centers across India. Singapore is India's largest trade partner in ASEAN. It is the leading source of FDI, among the largest sources of external commercial borrowings and foreign portfolio investment. Globally, both nations work closely in platforms like G20 and ASEAN and partner on sustainable development, green energy, and digital infrastructure. Now is the time for practice question. The 14th edition of Exercise Bold Kurukshetra 2025 is being held in which Indian city? A. Pune, B. Hyderabad, C. Jodhpur, D. Chennai. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.